Uganda. It's very beautiful. You're here. We're from Mongaro.
Never see Kuba.
Consider where I've come from right now. It was a little bit rainy. But I managed to come. Oh, that's such a money, you know. The moon Jakara. And so I am a foot. We know the shooting, I'm shooting there. Put a comedian. Agati Magaranyo, Mamma Punjakara, Villa Mugago, Mukonam. Most of the year.
Representing to the maximum is DJ Cut.
Mama Batumi there.
That's why you are. Secret Service.
Hey.
Secret Service.
What you
Yes. Gamma Secret Service. Yes.
Who come on?
No money. But now represent like a
Is that Trump? Is that Trump? Trump
Yes.
One more so called Hogira.
Bani.
Never so come in the Sabesa to a Trump. Night Trump, Naja. Zungu.
Oh,
Trump will be a massas. Need a home for the Secret Service. You want to know Cossano. Jam, Cossano, Jam. Cossano, Cossano, who are not talking. Secret Service. Secret Service. Cosse.
Coach Jango. Now again. Now again.
Secret Service. Trump again Veno.
Yi katinjana mwe isenga Secret Service ya America. Yes. Tanika. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming.
Tululaya. Yakogera luzungu wenu.
Ubona li Uganda.
Tena kwaita Trump. Oli PSW.
Ndaga mutaka.
Whatever you want to put out of the world, just you always a gentleman. Thank you so much for coming around over here. Of course, you know it's very powerful. Like who's around, who's going to get elections. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the one and only. Those who can have it. Lots of people show you over that. Those are in line out. Donald Trump.
Secret Service. What's the Yamua?
Get out!
Ladies and gentlemen,
pull up! What? What I said? I don't usually give people money, but I've given you money. I love it. Thank you. Nina hofu na hofu ya fanya Trump one. Mpaka hofu ya mama ready anko. Mpaka hofu ya mama anko. Fanya Trump one leo. Wewe kina Trump one leo. Anko hofu ya gonya bale ko just to fanya Trump. Thank you very much. God bless you. It's a Trump.
ladies and gentlemen, this is the time that we're waiting face for Donald Trump.
Pulo bale kuli bazungu mabale kana. Wema Trump ndamu. Doi PS wa Trump mwanamie.
Ladies and gentlemen, the time that we're waiting face just like a
Pussy, what did you? Dina Munike. Tap Munike was at the mobile the same Secret Service. Yeah, Pussy Weber, thank you. Yeah. Mumage. What tunule kubadde nkya
aba security service omumpi
n'atandika okwogera ku nyingira
Yes, for the love of Americans, and the love of everybody over here. Love everybody, God was more than a shell. Everybody is a motherfucker. I tell everybody. You gotta see that Joe Biden is dark on this world. Everybody we just running America. Can I tell everybody? With everyone works over go like America, want to make America great again. If you believe me, say I maybe don't want to mother your fuckers home, man. So very beautiful about it.
amasasi gavuganzanga kuba
And of course, I love everybody in America.
ne bamuddusa laba second service labakose laba olwala
Nakamba nedda kankyuseemu kankuumise ku baganda bafuuka aba SFC n'abaita next erinnya ly'eggwani kagimu oli muki oli muganda erinnya ly'eggwani next mwamweko gwe erinnya ly'eggwani erinnya ly'eggwani lutwamu ebiraki erinnya ly'eggwani yebbira nkebuka muganda erinnya ly'eggwani nkebuka erinnya ly'eggwani n'abampi babawa okumanya omwe yali ayagaliza n'abampi yamuwamba
muli baganda banyiivu
muvubuka linnya
yegwe guno gusinga kugwa bbululu
ngwe kati atuleta omukulembeze
kati mugende
muje mukuma omukulembeze abaganda bali mu
baganda tonyiga
bale ali alina confidence baana omukulembeze kampeeko nyambale mu nnyume yasi nnyume mukata
waliwo akayera wano
janguka
naye mukwata empola batera kuba basirikala
basaba batya. Hello sir, I love President Museveni. Yeah, thank you so much sir. Akakofia kazeka kau. Hey! At least you never mo katenda ko nema. Yawe no bya kuzanya comedy.
kapita mpita basema n'abanyamumma barakuja olunaku olwaleero
Kulikolo.
essaawa eno yennyini
Abaganda ne bakuma omukulembeze.
tuleeta omukulembeze waffe omulungi tumwagadde nnyo atufugidde ebbanga kati nga tutuusireko His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Bassebo ne banyabo omukulembeze waffe wuuyo omulungi aze. Abaganda be bamukuuma.
Mbalamusizaako bassebo ne bannyabo. Amannya nze Jalia Undergarments nga tusangibwa wano mu Kikuubo, ekizimbe Bypass Building, shop number HG 42, wano ku ttaawo lya Green ku Mini Price. Wotusanga tudiringira mu undergarments, wholesale and retail. Tuyinawo knickers, boxers, vests, nights, petticoats, tuyina buli kimu, bikers, tuyina body socks ez'abaana zino tuziyina zibeerawo, tuzisuubuza mu dozen ne mukamukamu, zibamu emyaka gyonna ne kala zonna. Obutambaala ebika ebyenjawulo tubulinawo mu kusuubula ne mu dozen emwemu tubawa. Undershirts weeziri, abanoonya undershirts weeziri, size ezi zonna tuziyina. Obunika obwetega Valentine etuuse buubuno webuli mubulaba.